And the potential migrant would become a migrant if these 4 factors, right, having a kind of what? Hello guys, welcome to Plutus IAS Academy. This is Akshay Guru, Faculty of Geography. So, I hope you all are doing good, and I am here again with a detailed video for you guys that is based on the models, theories and laws in human geography. Yes, simple hai वैसा. You will find this topic, if you find that is in connection with the population and settlement wala point, and to be more precise that is about migration. कि देखो जब आप भी बेसिकली स्टडीज के लिए कहीं आपके नेटिव टाउन से कहीं अवे फ्रॉम, राइट, यू मस्ट हैव लुक फॉर दोस पोटेंशियल प्रोस्पेक्ट्स कि यार फॉर एग्जांपल लाइक से अगर आपने डिसाइड किया कि सिविल सर्विसेज प्रिपेयर करना है, इन दैट केस यू मस्ट हैव लुक फॉर के इमीडिएट अगर कोई आपका रीजनल सेंटर है फॉर प्रिपरेशन, लाइक से इफ यू आर इन महाराष्ट्र तो पुणे देखोगे आप, इफ यू आर बेसिकली लाइक से इन फॉर द तेलंगाना और द आंध्र प्रदेश यू मे फाइंड इट लाइक हैदराबाद, ओके, और मे बी यूपी अगर हो तो अहलाबाद, दैट पर्टिकुलर रीजन, ओके, प्रयागराज. So then the second option that comes into your mind, that is Delhi. So what you finally have decided your the course of preparation, either to prepare from your home or native town or maybe from that regional center or maybe from Delhi. ये किस factors पे dependent है? It is in consideration with the 4 different criteria. Those are described or considered by Evert Lees. Evert Lee, he was basically a population scientist, okay, and geographer, and he, based on his observations, based on his European observations to be more precise, that he finally came out with his model on migration. According to him, just like कि आप जैसे यहाँ पे एक potential migrant हो, potential migrant in the sense that who is willing to move from his native location or from the place away from his birthplace. Yeah. So any potential migrant, you will find he'll move from his native location to a फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन. 2 रीजन्स आइडेंटिफाइड किया है लीज ने, एक है डेस्टिनेशन एंड द अदर यू विल फाइंड दैट इज सोर्स ऑफ ओरिजिन. एंड द पोटेंशियल माइग्रेंट वुड बिकम ए माइग्रेंट इफ दिस 4 फैक्टर्स, राइट, हैविंग ए काइंड ऑफ what the imbalance, as in he defined 2 factors for this matter, like factors operational at the place of origin. Yeah, those are like कुछ factors देखो जैसे ऐसे रहेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू, राइट, कि आपके जो नेटिव टाउन है वहाँ पे गाइडेंस अवेलेबल नहीं है, वेल, या यू वोंट फाइंड इवन लाइक मेंटरशिप एज सच, यू वोंट फाइंड बुक्स एंड रिक्वायर्ड कंटेंट्स ऑफ मटेरियल एज, या कुछ ये है कुछ पुश फैक्टर. दोज आर नाउ ट्राइंग टू पुश you away from your native place, or they are like forcing you to relocate yourself. And at destination there are some operational points or factors जो आपको attract कर रहे हैं, like yeah, you may find some the best of facilities over here, you will find the guidance over here, right, in Delhi or maybe at your regional center, right. So these factors or baki basic amenities and almost everything, yeah. So these factors will rather pulls you towards destination. So factors operational at the place of destination, pull factor. So according to Lee, that at your place of origin some favorable points are there, some unfavorable or push factors are there, while in the same way at the place of origin there are many positive points or pull factor and there are some नेगेटिव फैक्टर्स दोज आर इन ऑपरेशन. या जैसे दिल्ली में अगर आओगे तो फिर दिल्ली में यहाँ पे सेफ्टी सिक्योरिटी वाला कंसर्न है, या यू विल फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ लिविंग इज कंसिडरेबली हाई. या सो इट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन अफोर्डेबिलिटी एंड दोज फैक्टर. सो एट एवरी प्लेस ऑफ ओरिजिन एंड डेस्टिनेशन से देयर नीड्स ए काइंड ऑफ इम्बैलेंस बिटवीन दिस फैक्टर, और इम्बैलेंस जिस फैक्टर के फेवर में होगा you will find accordingly decision for migration would be taken, right? So operation, these two factors, then third factor, the factors operating as intervening obstacle, that the what opportunity cost that it involves, that अगर relocate करना है तो जो monetary cost involved होगा, तो उसके बाद जो mental stress होगा, almost everything that you have to bear. So these factors you will find are like intervening obstacles and factors specific to individuals. Factors sometimes like say you may be like homesick guy, yeah. So अब अगर homesick हो तो you will be like pretty much reluctant to migrate. Then even after you will find destination is having many pull factors in operation, yeah, or they are like these factors are attracting you. But still if you are like homesick guy, if you find yourself more comfortable in your the comfort zone as such, right, in that case you will find your decision, okay, the final call or the decision would be affected, right, keeping this consideration in mind. Or you may be basically maybe having some ailments as well, कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम्स हो सकता है, तो वो प्रॉब्लम के लिए अगर स्पेशल केयर चाहिए, इन दैट केस यू विल बी looking for KR that it would be better if I would prepare like say at my native town only. या अगर कुछ short term journey है तो you can look for any regional center, right? And see, I am trying to connect this theory ये real time से, क्योंकि ऐसे जब connect करोगे then you will find this is pretty much easy to understand. Okay, so देखो, so according to Evert Lee there are 4 operational factors. Push factor at the place of origin, pull factor, attracting factor you will find at the place of destination. You will find the third factor, that is intervening obstacles, and the fourth factor that works like highly individual specific. So your decision for migration would be taken based on the kind of proportion of each of these factors. अगर ऐसा हो जाए कि आपके pull factor at destination they are so strong that it overcome all intervening obstacles, individual considerations, and you will find the positive factors at your place of origin, then even you would be a potential migrant. But if you find कि आपके individual specific factors बहुत critical है, yeah, maybe like your parent you may be a single child to your parent, in that case you would be like कि हाँ यार अभी प्रिपेयर करने जाए या ना जाए, और being an online having an online option that is made available, so you can look for that as well. समझ रहे हो? So that your final call that would be taken based on the intensity of these factors. If balance is in favor of pull factor, then potential migrant would convert into migrant, real time migrant. However, the balance is in terms of the the balance is like say into a retaining the factor, yeah, intervening obstacles, maybe individual factors. In that case, you would then look for to retain at your native place. कभी-कभी individual specific factor push भी करते हैं, depends on, right, if it's everyone's call ultimately. So according to Evert Lee, the final decision on migration is to be taken based on consideration of this 4 factor. So guys, I hope ये जो theory है, ये जो model है, ये आप सभी को pretty much clear हो गया है, and just do ensure that you will try to connect this geographical understanding of yours with the real time surrounding, because UPSC is in our surrounding. So yes, if you really like this video, please like it, share it, and comment. Don't forget to comment it as well. Thank you.